Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it's finally happened. Gold has breached the 2300 handle for the first time after Fed Chair Jerome Powell did confirm that rate cuts will be appropriate for this year. So this is the first time really that any member of the Fed has given a testimony to say that not only have we reached a terminal rate, but rate cuts are definitely going to probably start happening this year. When they will happen, most probably the second half of the year. But the news is that gold has pretty much eclipsed itself once again to the upside after moving over $300 since we broke the $2,000 area in the mid-February time, and we're just waiting to see now if that's going to have any more of an impact. How far can gold go? And it's actually having a big effect on silver as well, hitting a 3-year high, which we'll look at shortly. So metal markets really starting to move higher, dollar markets starting to have a bit more of a downturn. So let's get straight into gold on the daily chart. There's not really much you can say about gold that hasn't been said already. Just a vast accentuation on the yellow metal, since we saw this move of over $2,000, and that was only a couple of months ago, to start moving even higher. It's actually quite remarkable. The only thing that's concerning for bulls at the moment is this double top that we're seeing on the RSI and most stochastics, which could filter in a bearish divergence. So this is what we're looking at the moment. So we'll obviously wait for the next signal, but with the NFP data tomorrow, this could actually shake up the gold and dollar markets even further. Let's take a quick look on the 4-hour chart as well, because it's just basically wave after wave of momentum to the upside. As I said, on the RSI and most stochastics and MACDs, we're just seeing now we had this area of overbought RSI movement and then a very neutral area here. So this is what we're kind of looking out for at the moment. We had this upsurge here, very vast sideways pattern, and now another upturn. So will we see another sideways pattern happen before we get another move to the upside or downside? Well, if the Fed does start cutting rates, it probably will mean that gold could start moving a little bit more higher. But what is out of the question for gold? 2,500 by the end of this quarter. It's what a lot of rumors have been saying at the moment. We're just waiting to see now if this does turn into a bearish divergence. How strong will that be? And if it's going to have any impact on price action as well. So I have to wait and see for that. Let's just quickly look on silver as well. As I said, highest target since 3 years. If we put it all the way back on the daily chart, as you can see here, this is the last time we were trading on silver, which was in the middle of June of 2021. So it's just looking likely now that we could see another push to the upside, which would give us more of a movement. And where can silver go? Well, again, we're just waiting to see. We're seeing at the moment that there was a slight bearish divergence, but that's been cancelled out with this nice pop here on the RSI. So we're just obviously with silver, it's a little bit less traded than gold, but it can still bring so many good opportunities as well. So just keep an eye out if you're looking at the metal markets in general. 4-hour chart as well. As I said here, this bullish divergence was pretty much ignored, and we're just waiting to see now if we're going to have more of an upturn in fortunes for silver as well. We're just waiting to see now. I meant to actually remove the drawings, not the indicator itself. So as you can see, the RSI is majorly overbought at the moment, so we could have a little bit more of a downswing. But as I said, anything's possible in this metal market. Keep an eye out for the big fundamental headlines, such as more testimonies from the Fed, not only Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and also the NFP figures, which are coming out tomorrow as well. So this could be a very big move in the market, which could shake up quite a lot of the metal foundations as well. So we'll keep you up to date with all the comings and goings as usual on our YouTube and Telegram channels. So stick with us, stay ahead, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.